His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie I, our most distinguished host and the most outstanding symbol of African unity and dignity, remarked in his speech opening our 10th anniversary celebrations last Thursday that the occasion was of special significance. He went on to say that if the celebration was to fulfill an important function, the joy and pride we felt must be accompanied by a critical examination of the experience of the last 10 years and by a rededication to look forward to the future with courage and a renewed sense of commitment. Never known to betray his sense of history and vision, His Imperial Majesty then called upon us to draw up a blueprint for action for the next 10 years. This historic address set the tone for our 10th anniversary celebrations and for our current session that we are about to end today. Hide our feelings. Thus, characteristically, we have concluded that baffles advocates of conventional diplomacy and our detractors. Closed. Long live African unity, long live the Organization of African Unity, and may God bless you all until we meet again next year at Mogadishu, Somalia, 74. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.